Hey guys, Peter Parks here, online side hustler. Welcome to my channel. Last time I tested the method of watching video to earn money. The platform is HIDEOUT TV. I have seen this method many times on YouTube and I have been curious about how it works. Is it really true? Just watching video and earn money? I immediately took the action for this method and the result is unfortunately disappointing. If you are interested in, please watch the previous video. Here there is more information so that you can figure it out. Today I'm going to test this method of watching videos to earn money again, but it's not exactly the same as last time because I'm going to change one variable, which is device. Last time I watched the video from only one device and it generated a tiny amount of points that were so disappointing. So what if I add more devices and watch videos at the same time? Do you think it's possible? Let's check this out. So first I prepared a number of devices to watch video, and second I'm going to run this test for around 12 hours, maybe one day roughly. And I'm going to regularly check device whether it's working or not, because as you know, if I keep watching it without any activity, just watching it, then this platform will ask me, are you there? At the same time the video will automatically stop, so I have to keep checking. I will share the result afterward. I'm very curious about it. Hey, so have a look here. About time is June 3rd, Friday, 5:36 a.m. and have a look here. Now I'm running two videos. One is a normal browser, second is incognito mode. And here I'm running two mobile device and it's charging. So now it's 5:30. Oops. So total is 3 devices. Hey guys, now the time is about 7:30 a.m. so I'm going to share the result anyway. The time is 7:30. Bit not clear, but anyway it's okay, you can see that the point is like this now. And also there it is, have a look. Time is 7:30 something. So 7:30, right? Or the rear. I'm going to keep going on it. Okay, and see ya. If you are a beginner of affiliate marketing, I'm going to share a free link down below here. There are 2 free affiliate marketing training. First, the lost code. You will learn how to start affiliate marketing. Second, secret weapon. You will learn how to get more traffic. These are all free, and I'm offering you these 2 free training for you. So please come and click the link down below here and check this out. I hope this is very useful for you. Once you click the link here, you will submit the form with your email address and get the free access. You can use it as long as possible, as much as possible too. No issue. So please don't miss it out. Hey guys, finally my test is all done and still is running. The time is about 6 p.m. So I'm going to share the information, the result. Alright, and let's see. So here, can you see the time? 3rd of June, 6 p.m. now. Point is 300. Yes, here also time is about 6 p.m. 6 p.m. The score is about 300. So let's calculate it. I start recording video around 5:30 a.m. today, 3rd June, 5:30 a.m. and the point was about 100, exact point about 92 points, and then I finish it when it ends the video. The time it was 5:30 p.m. which is 12 hours later, and the point was 300 p.m. which is around 200 points I get for 12 hours using 3 devices, 2 mobile phones, 1 laptop. Okay, and I'm going to check that 300 points, how much I can get money from this point 300. I'm wondering about it. I'm going to share this one soon. Okay, here I'm going to redeem. Let's see how much money I can redeem. There's a grab point here. I'm going to start redeem process. Grab point. Okay, 238. Redeemed to, and I'm going to go to grab point. Wait, again. So my point total is 1120. Cash out. You haven't claimed any reward yet. Okay. Here's a PayPal. Redeem insufficient points. Whew. So for PayPal, $5, I have 5,000. So when I use the grab point, when I transfer my point from Hideout TV to grab points, the points were a bit reduced. I don't know why. I tried to redeem through PayPal. PayPal said it's insufficient point, which requires the least is 5,150. Oh, that's a lot. That looks difficult. So today, my test. I think while I'm doing this, I regularly check absolutely, and there was no issue, and it goes smoothly. And sometimes I need to refresh while they're watching video. It is not so difficult. It's very easy. It went through all planned, so it was okay for me. The method was interesting, but the result is not so big amount. It generates very less amount of money. As you see, the point was about 300, and I changed it. I redeemed the point into the grab point, which is about 230 something. And even PayPal in the grab point requires 5,150 points, which is a lot of things. So that 5,000, which means $5 only, that's really small. So I don't think that makes a lot of money, and the choice is up to you. And personally, I think it consumes a lot of time, but at least it makes points anyway. If you have the better method, please share your comment, and also I'm open to hear your mention too. I'm looking forward to hearing your comment, your opinion. And hopefully you guys like this video, and I will come back to you soon. Before finalizing this video, please hit the subscribe button down below, and I'm really happy for your support, and see you next time.